Thank you, Sean, for your words. Every tradition carries a beautiful story. Every ritual has a meaningful message. And every symbol teaches us a valuable lesson. Whenever we see Lord Vittal, आपला विठ्ठल का विटेवरी थांबला ह्याची स्टोरी आपल्याला सूर्य फासगे हा सांगणार आहे. तर हिज टॉपिक इज वाय इज लॉर्ड विठ्ठल स्टँडिंग ऑन ब्रिक. प्लीज सूर्य फासगे कम ऑन द स्टेज.
Respected teachers and my dear friends, good morning. Today I am going to tell you why Lord Vittal stand on the brick. This beautiful story belongs to Maharashtra and is about a great devotee named Pundalik. Pundalik loved his parents so much and served them with total devotion. One day Lord Krishna came to meet him. At that moment Pundalik was so busy serving his parents. His devotion was so deep that he did not leave his parents immediately. Even for God, instead he threw a brick toward Lord Krishna and politely asked him to stand on it and wait. Lord Krishna was deeply moved by Pundalik's love to his parents. He patiently stood on that brick, his hands on his hips, waiting for this devotee. This form of Lord Krishna came to be known as Lord Vittal. The word Vittal itself comes from Vita, which means brick. Thank you so much.